The iPhone 16e is Apple's latest budget-friendly model, offering impressive value at a price of around $600. Even with just a single rear camera, it's shaping up to be a guest seller. But before you rush to buy it, there are a few details, some surprising, some disappointing, that you should know. Here are 10 key things to consider before getting the iPhone 16e. First, let's talk about the mysterious E in the iPhone 16e. Apple hasn't officially explained what it stands for, leaving room for speculation. Some think it means economy or essential. Interestingly, an Apple representative mentioned that the E means nothing and everything at the same time, and that this model is designed for everyone. While Apple enjoys keeping things mysterious, this explanation suggests that the 16e is meant to be accessible and practical. Next, let's discuss video features, or rather, the ones missing from the 16e. While it has a powerful single camera, it lacks two key video modes, cinematic mode and action mode. Cinematic mode adds a DSLR-style blurred background to your recordings, while action mode stabilizes videos, making it great for filming while running or cycling. If you use your iPhone for high-quality video content, this might be a deal breaker. Another limitation is the absence of Apple's latest photographic styles. If you like to tweak your photos for deeper shadows and higher contrast, you'll be disappointed. While the iPhone 16e supports older Apple filters, it doesn't offer the same level of fine adjustment as the newer models. This may not be a big issue for casual users, but photography enthusiasts might find it lacking. Performance-wise, the iPhone 16e runs on the 8ET chip, but there's a catch. It has one less GPU core than the iPhone 16. While the CPU remains the same, the 16e's GPU has only 4 cores instead of 5, leading to slightly reduced graphics performance. This won't matter much for everyday use or casual gaming, but if you play graphically demanding games, the difference could be noticeable. The display is another area where the 16e sees some compromises. It features a 6.1-inch OLED screen, a huge upgrade from the iPhone SE, but it's not quite on par with the iPhone 16. The typical brightness is 800 nits compared to 1000 nits on the 16, and the peak brightness is 1200 nits instead of 1600 nits. This means the iPhone 16e isn't as easy to use outdoors in bright sunlight. Additionally, it doesn't get as dim at night as the iPhone 16, which might be uncomfortable for those who use their phones in bed. Another missing feature is ultra-wideband UWB support. This chip enhances location tracking, helping you precisely locate your iPhone if you misplace it and improving AirTag accuracy. It also enables new features like wireless name drop contact exchange. While not a deal breaker, this omission might be frustrating for users who rely on Apple's tracking ecosystem. Connectivity is another area where the iPhone 16e lags slightly. It's the first iPhone to use Apple's custom-made C1 modem. If you're heavily invested in smart home technology, this might be a limitation worth considering. So, is the iPhone 16e worth it? That depends on your needs. If you're looking for an affordable iPhone with solid performance, a great camera, and a sleek design, the 16e is a fantastic option. What do you think about the iPhone 16e? Are these missing features a deal breaker, or do you think it's still a great buy? Let us know in the comments. Today in San Jose, California, marking the debut of 3 exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail boxed images surfaced, showcasing the lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no in-box charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste. Among the colors revealed, the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Samsung's bold design choices are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature S Pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The base Galaxy S25 model offers 128 gigabytes of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12 gigabytes across all base models. For storage options, the lineup includes 256 gigabytes as standard, with 512 gigabytes available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra's design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray For the S25 Ultra, exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production costs and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256 gigabytes models. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost Galaxy S25 512 gigabytes, 1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus 512 gigabytes, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra 512 gigabytes, 1,858,600 Korean won, $1,281. These prices are competitive given the global use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is Galaxy AI, included free of charge through 2025. This advanced AI capability enhances user experience by offering features such as night video with audio eraser. This innovative tool allows users to capture stunning videos in low light while reducing both video grain and background audio noise. Samsung has also upgraded the selfie cameras for lifelike skin tones and textures, ensuring top-notch photo quality. The Galaxy S25 lineup also introduces varying battery capacities to suit different needs. Galaxy S25 4,000 mAh, Galaxy S25 Plus 4,900 mAh, Galaxy S25 Ultra 5,000 mAh. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, bundled within the box. For display enthusiasts, the series offers impressive screen sizes. 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the S25 Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the S25 Ultra. The Ultra also leads the pack with a 200-megapixel main camera, and all the other models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's ecosystem features are also highlighted in the Galaxy S25 series. Smart Switch makes it seamless to transfer data from your old device, while Samsung Digital Wallet provides a secure hub for credit cards, boarding passes, and more. For Galaxy users, daily news briefings will deliver morning and evening updates on weather, top stories, and other essentials. What's your take on the Galaxy S25 series pricing and features? Are you excited about the design, performance, or AI capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to reserve your Galaxy S25 through the link in the description to take advantage of exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future upload. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey Samsung fans! The moment we've all been waiting for is almost here. The Galaxy S25 series is set to be unveiled at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. But here's the deal.